Guys, apparently this is a trend, but hot Cheetos and milk. I have high hopes.
I'm only going to pour a little because I don't want my whole bag ruined.
You can pour a little. We got to try it. All right, guys. Yay or nay? Yay or nay? Hot Cheeto cereal. Cheers. Mix it up. Mix it up. Get a nice spoon.
You're knocking all my Cheetos down.
Oh, why did we Lady in the Tramp one bowl?
Let's just
cheers. It kind of tastes like spicy corn puffs.
Kind of weird. Sounds bad.
I don't hate it.
It's oddly good. It is kind of weird. It's good.
It's good to you? Well, we have a winner.
That's weird.
You guys let us know.